was just wondering, friends, isn't life like a Rubik's Cube, confusing and interesting at the same time? On March 24th, when we came back home tired from our schools, colleges, office, and other workplaces, we never foresaw that from tomorrow we would be caged in our own homes. Sitting within the four walls of our home, we feel we are the most affected during this corona lockdown. But no, friends, there are people suffering more than us. This short film, our small attempt, tells their story. No, stories. See the unseen. See the unseen.
Oh, today was a very hectic day. I was so busy that I didn't even have my food. Times are getting harder. I should get used to it.
Doctor, the report which we had sent for testing have come from lab. They all are positive. The dean has asked you to stay back in the hospital and look after the emergency cases. Good night, doctor.
Okay, I shall come.
Hello?
Hello, Mama. Where are you? When will you come back home? I'm waiting for you, Mama.
Oh, my dear princess, today I cannot come home, but tomorrow I shall definitely come home. Today I have emergency cases to attend. You understand, right?
No, Mama. This is not done. You have been saying this for past few days. You're lying.
How can I lie to you, my child? I am your superwoman, right? This superwoman has an important task to do. A mission? How can I leave it incomplete, my child?
No. You need not leave it half complete. But promise me that you will come to me as early as possible.
Sure, dear.
Okay, Mom. Now tell me a story, please.
Once upon a time, this dedicated soul strived day and night and took care of COVID patients. She saved people's life, but she couldn't stop her own death. The disease she tried to cure was slowly killing her. We also have homes, yet we came here to save you. While saving you, sometimes we may lose our lives. Sometimes we will have to leave our loved ones forever and forever. But still, we do our duty without fear because we value your life. Do you really value our lives? If so, stay home, stay safe. See the unseen.
Hello? Madam? Madam? You have not credited my salary.
Oh, why should I credit your salary? You have not come even a single day this month. I have been doing all those domestic work this month and without even dirtying your hand. You want a month's salary?
Madam, with the outbreak of corona pandemic, how will I come? My family is starving. So please, please, show us little mercy, ma'am.
Money doesn't grow on trees. No work, no money. That's final. Don't ever disturb me on this issue.
Madam,
Mom, I'm so hungry, Mom. Morning and afternoon I didn't eat anything. Please, Mom, please give something to eat, Mom. I'm so hungry, Mom, please.
child, you have it.
Mom, is there anything for you to eat?
Small our faith, child, you have it.
When we are sitting within the comfort zones of our home, there are millions of domestic workers who are forced to choose a life of poverty. They strive hard to make both ends meet. They have helped us during our time of need. Let's be grateful and help them during their time of need. See the unseen.
Fatima, open the door.
Assalamu alaikum, auntie.
Did you see the news in the TV? A new disease called corona is spreading all over the world. Spain is most affected. Your husband Farudin is walking in Spain, right? Did you call him up and inquire about his status?
No, auntie, I was not aware of it till now. I will immediately call and check on him. Hello, Farudin?
Before you say anything, let me assure you. Yes, I'm perfectly fine, dear. I'm perfectly fine. I know you would be extremely worried about the news about Corona. But let me tell you, I'm safe, dear. I'm very safe here.
Okay. When will you come back to India?
No, Fatima. With this Corona pandemic thing setting strict here. Yes. Then they have prohibited us from traveling. Don't worry about me, okay? I'm safe here. I'm safe. Once this situation is changed, I will come back. Okay, by the by, where is my little princess? Where is she?
Oh, she. She is missing you so terribly, Faradil.
Okay, Ria, I will call you late. All of us.
Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.
Hello? Yes, doctor?
Sir, you should come immediately to the hospital. Your results are positive. You are affected with COVID-19. So please come right now.
Okay, doctor. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. My lovely daughter.
Days and months passed by.
Your father has no time to talk to us. Let's call him. Hello, Farudin?
Hello, Mrs. Farudin. Your husband is passed away yesterday night. He died of COVID-19. We cannot bring his body back to India. We are asked to cremate his body in Spain. We need your permission. Hello? Hello? Mrs. Farudin? Are you there? Hello?
In this deadly battle with Corona, many people lost their near and dear ones. The most painful part is that they can't even see for their last time the face of their near ones. It is one of the worst feelings. By stepping out of your home and by crossing the precautionary line, don't present this worst feeling to your loved ones. See the unseen.
Corona is killing the world. My kith and kin are dying. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, please save the world.
have saved the mankind from the deadly disease called corona.
We may be of different religion. We may worship God in different idols. Irrespective of religion, now our prayers have only one voice: save humanity. See the unseen.
Hello, sir.
Inspector Das, I hope you would have known from the news. At present, the death toll have increased at large scale due to corona pandemic. The government has declared a lockdown. People are not able to adjust with this sudden changes in their life, so they are violating the law. The government has asked the police department to aid them. Divide by groups. Each one of you should keep an eye on the people. So do come to the police headquarters.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Meena? Meena? The DGP has called me and asked me to take charge immediately. Can you pack my clothes? I will be staying in the headquarters till the problem is over.
Why? What happened? Any emergency?
Corona has been declared as a pandemic disease, so that the government has enforced a lockdown. You know about that. But citizens who are frustrated with this sudden isolation are violating their rules. So we have to do our duty by not allowing them outside their homes. I hope you can understand.
But what if you are affected by this disease while during this duty? Even scientists haven't found any medicine for this fatal disease. What if something happened to you?
Meena, a policeman's life ought to be like this. What would bring him more happiness than dying at the call of duty? Now, don't cry. Be brave.
But
I'm leaving.
As far as we are concerned, policemen are just human beings devoid of feelings and emotions. But they too have fear. Fear to lose life. Fear to lose their family. It's just that they are too clever to hide it. See the unseen.
For a week have passed. I'm still confined in my house. Back home in India, my family could be waiting for me with beating hearts. Each time their phone rings, they could be praying with whole heart that it should not be the death news of their one and only daughter. God only knows how I long to see them. My mother, she would be sitting before the idol of Ram and would be endlessly praying for my health. My father will be constantly looking at his phone, awaiting my call. Hope this pandemic ends soon.
She is just one among them. There are millions of people sitting in their foreign house thinking about their own sweet little home in their motherland. See the unseen.
I used to work from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. earlier and earn a side income by cleaning septic tanks of my neighborhood. Now, after the outbreak of corona, I work full time from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. After doing this work, when I go back home, I feel afraid to touch my 9-month-old baby and my wife. Even in my dreams, I feel myself spraying disinfectants. I work like a dog, but people feel disgust even to look at me.
Sanitation workers work day and night tirelessly and ceaselessly. But what do they get back? Let's see.
Friend, what do you think of a sanitation worker?
Sanitation workers? Whom are you speaking about? I didn't even consider them as a human. All day they just roam with a broomstick, and at the end of the month they just ask for a money. How insane, unclean, stupid creatures.
Just like you and me, they are humans too. They dirty themselves so that we would remain clean. They disinfect the infected hotspots and save us from the deadly corona. If you cannot respect them, at least don't insult them. In this battle with corona, many people lost their lives. Many people sacrificed their lives at the call of duty. Many people are forced to choose a life of poverty over a life of disease and death. Many people do their duty forgetting their families. Many people are crying helplessly in a foreign land. Many people dirty their hands to keep our lives clean. Many people are praying with all their hearts for the safety of their kith and kins. We cannot stop this. We are helpless. The humanity is helpless, but still we can do one thing to flatten this corona curve. The one thing that we can do is stay home, stay safe. Let's not intensify this problem.